In this question, we are going to calculate output voltage of given operational amplifier circuit. So, remember that the given operational amplifier has uses the positive feedback and the input voltage is a sinusoidal waveform of 1 volt. So, it can go up to a maximum of plus 1 volt and it can go up to minimum of minus 1 volt. So, by that time what can be the output voltage? Answer for this one is it's a constant value of either plus 5 or minus 5 volts. Okay. So, how this comes? Generally, you can use either positive feedback or negative feedback. So, let op amp at open loop. So, now it is not used any feedback. Then under open loop, it has gain at most of open loop gain is 10 power minus 6 for 741 IC. Okay, and you can use for this one either positive feedback or negative feedback. Make it as positive feedback and the other way it is using negative feedback. By using negative feedback, gain reduces to 10, 100, 120, whatever the value depending on the value of R1 and R2. That means feedback resistance and a resistance resistor value R1 and RF, along with whether you are going to use inverting mode or non-inverting mode. Based on that one, using negative feedback, gain reduces, but the advantages are going to be stability increases. That means the gain, whatever the reduced gain, is going to be stable. Okay, irrespective of variations in the temperature, variations in the aging. Even if you are using for longer time also, okay, there will be no changes. So stability increases. It directly depends on feedback network. It doesn't depend on the operational amplifier parameters. And bandwidth increases. Okay. Next, noise and distortion is reduces. So these are the basic advantages. Okay. If you are using positive feedback, the gain is increases. That means it is more than 10 power 6. Gain increases and stability reduces. And bandwidth reduces and noise and distortion increases. So observe this, stability is reducing. Why the stability is reduced? Okay. So now the gain is very large compared to this one. Make it as something as 10 power 8 is going to be your gain with positive feedback. As you know, in positive feedback gain increases, in negative feedback gain reduces. That you have studied. Okay. So assume that when gain is 10 power 8 and you are going to apply a small voltage as something as 1 millivolt you applied. What can be your V0? V0 is equal to gain times of Vin. So in this case, gain is 10 power 8 and if your input is 1 volt, 10 power 8 volts you must get. Is it possible to get this much voltage? No. If you are applying a small voltage, 1 millivolt, 10 power minus 3, this will become 10 power 5. It is very large. Even if you are going for 1 microvolt, that means 10 power 8 is the gain and micro means 10 power minus 6. So again it is 10 power 2 volts. So which is equal to 100 volts. Okay. So this 100 volts is also very large because the operational amplifier is supplied with only plus 5 and minus 5 volt references. When the reference voltage is plus 5 or minus 5. Okay. So the voltage what you are using for this operational amplifier circuit is still is plus 5 or minus 5. Then how do you get more than those voltages? If your circuit is using 10 volts, you may get at most 10 volts as the output. If your circuit is using 100 volts, you may get at most 100 volts. But if you are using a 5 volts power supply, and how can you expect more than that 5 volts? Okay, so for a small change, even for a small change of input with positive feedback, the output reaches the saturation levels. Whenever there is a positive feedback, always you think that the output voltage is equal to saturation levels. So it may go up to plus 5 volts or it may go up to minus 5 volts depending on Okay, V0 can be, V0 is equal to plus 5 volts. Okay, if voltage at positive terminal is greater than voltage at negative terminal. That means voltage at non-inverting terminal is greater than voltage at inverting terminal, and V0 is equal to minus 5 volts if voltage at inverting terminal is less than voltage at non-inverting terminal. So we don't know the voltage at Vi. It may go up to positively plus 1 volt, or it can go down up to negatively minus 1 volt. So depending on the input voltage, output voltage may go up to plus 5 volts or minus 5 volts. It will directly go to plus 5. It will directly go to minus 5. Okay. So saturation voltage are going to be your outputs. It doesn't deviate. Directly it comes from plus 5 to minus 5, minus 5 to plus 5. Because it has very large gain, it is even more than open loop gain. Okay, so the right answer for this question is D. Thank you.